Guess what? We're gonna bake some more muffins. Sweet potato banana muffins. How about that one? Yeah, so if you have some roasted or baked sweet potatoes hanging out, or you can even use the can. You got some bananas that have gone a little ripe that you don't like to eat. I love ripe bananas. These are the muffins to make. So let's get started. I do have a recipe here. I have mine here, and I have all my ingredients. So right now, let's see. I have flour, 1.5 cups. So I am to stick it right in there. And let's see, ooh, boy, let me see. I have salt, I have baking powder and baking soda. I dump in there. And I have cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Woo, kind of sounds like pie, huh? Yeah. Gonna take my trusty little whisk. Just gonna whisk that up. Just a couple stirs, get it all mixed up. We wanna make sure. We are gonna start with, use the blender, so get your Big Macs out. Get them so you can just like hit them. So we can do, gonna put some oil, like 1/2 cup. I'll put everything down below, and I even put it across the screen maybe, huh? Yeah, okay, so there we have that. And let's get 1/4 cup of honey. Oh my, honey. Oh, honey, honey, ba bum 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 bum. Oh, sorry, I know I get too wound up sometimes. Ooh, I have some vanilla. Dump that in there. We have a couple eggs. Why not? Give them fluffy and lemon and everything else. Yeah. Let's see. This is sweet potatoes and bananas. I always usually have a few bananas in the freezer. Well, now, and this is just because I'm going to probably give some of these away. And those people like, a little sweeter things. So I added 1/4 cup of brown. Okay, are you ready to hit those buttons? Yep. Okay. 1, 2, 3, hit it! Good job. Now we have, oh, and did you notice? I have my little waffle iron heating up. I like to make waffles. Okay. Now, we are going to pour all of this into there. The dry ingredients with the liquid ingredients. I'm just going to go ahead and use a wooden spoon, kind of roll it around, rolling. Oh, I'm sorry, forgetting. Some people are as thrilled as I am and sing and dance all the time. But that's okay, because you know what would be really good in these, I think? Some chopped pecans, or walnuts, or white chocolate chips, regular chocolate chips. Dates might even be good in these. Yeah, I don't want to overdo those, but I want to make sure I got everything. So now I have my little trusty paper cups. Gonna put them, and I have Big Daddy scoop, Papa Bear scoop. So good, huh? These are gonna be so yummy. There we have it. Now, see? We're gonna go stick them in the oven. And why don't we make a waffle now, huh? Catch you later. Just wanted to show you, here's my little waffles and butter. And we made a little glaze to go on top. Oh, enjoy.